Ukraine has recently unveiled a remarkable leap in its naval defense capabilities, showcasing the Magura V7 unmanned surface vessel equipped with Russian-made R-73 air-to-air missiles. The demonstration, held during a visit by a foreign delegation, represents not only a technological milestone but also a strategic statement amid the ongoing conflict with Russia. By adapting a missile originally intended for fighter jets into a surface-launched interceptor, Ukraine has expanded the operational scope of unmanned maritime systems, signaling a shift in the dynamics of modern naval warfare. The Magura V7 is an upgraded iteration of the earlier V5 model, featuring a longer hull, enhanced stability, and greater payload capacity. These improvements allow it to carry advanced missile systems without sacrificing speed or maneuverability. With operational speeds exceeding 75 km per hour and a reported range approaching 800 km, the vessel is suitable for both coastal defense and extended interdiction missions. Its upgraded sensor suite and communications array, visible in recent images, suggest advanced electro-optical targeting capabilities and secure data link connectivity, allowing for precise engagement of aerial threats even at extended distances. At the core of this innovation is the integration of the R-73 missile, a short-range, infrared-guided weapon originally developed for aircraft such as the MiG-29 and Su-27. Renowned for its agility, thrust vectoring controls, and off-bore sight targeting capability, the R-73 can engage targets up to 30 km away. Ukrainian engineers have repurposed this missile for maritime use through extensive modifications, including the integration of external power systems, cooling for the infrared seeker, and linking it to the Magura V7's onboard control interface. By mounting the missiles on fixed pylons along the vessel's upper deck, the system relies on the maneuverability of the USV itself for targeting, demonstrating a clever adaptation of existing technology to a novel operational environment. The decision to utilize Russian-origin missiles carries both practical and symbolic weight. Practically, the R-73's proven capabilities offer a reliable and effective means to counter aerial threats. Symbolically, repurposing a cornerstone of Russian fighter armament into a defensive tool against Russian aircraft reflects Ukraine's growing expertise in battlefield engineering, systems integration, and rapid innovation under pressure. This approach also illustrates how necessity can drive unconventional solutions in warfare, as the Ukrainian defense sector leverages available resources to create asymmetric advantages against a technologically sophisticated adversary. Operational reports indicate that the Magura V7 has already been tested under combat conditions. In December 2024, a modified R-73 missile was successfully launched from a Magura-class USV against a Russian Ka-29 helicopter near occupied Crimea. The missile destroyed the helicopter, marking the first known instance of an unmanned surface vessel downing an aircraft with an air-to-air missile. Since that engagement, Ukrainian forces have refined targeting algorithms, seeker alignment, and hull stabilization to improve accuracy against low-flying drones and rotary-wing aircraft. This demonstrates a rapid learning curve and iterative development approach, which has enabled the Magura V7 to transition from experimental technology to an operational system capable of actively influencing the battlefield. The broader implications of the Magura V7 extend beyond a single successful engagement. By integrating air-to-air missiles into unmanned naval platforms, Ukraine has introduced a new dimension to maritime operations. The system transforms a traditionally offensive strike drone into a mobile, surface-launched air defense unit capable of deterring or neutralizing threats in littoral zones. For Russian aircraft operating over the Black Sea, this innovation forces reconsideration of operational tactics, potentially compelling aircraft to fly at higher altitudes or maintain greater distances from coastal areas to mitigate the risk of engagement. This change could reduce the effectiveness of low-altitude reconnaissance, close air support, and maritime patrol missions, providing Ukraine with a strategic edge in contested waters. In addition to operational considerations, the Magura V7 reflects a broader trend in modern military strategy: the rise of autonomous and distributed defense systems. Unmanned platforms, whether in the air, on the surface, or underwater, allow militaries to extend capabilities without risking personnel. The combination of long-range mobility, advanced targeting systems, and high-speed maneuverability enables small, relatively inexpensive drones to project power in ways previously reserved for larger manned vessels or aircraft. Ukraine's integration of the R-73 onto the Magura V7 exemplifies how existing technology can be rapidly adapted to create versatile and cost-effective force multipliers, underscoring the evolving nature of warfare in the 21st century. The potential for future iterations of the Magura series is significant. Analysts suggest that subsequent models could incorporate Western short-range missiles or radar-guided interceptors, enhancing the flexibility and lethality of Ukraine's unmanned fleet. Modular design could allow rapid swapping of weapon systems to tailor drones for specific missions, whether focused on offensive strikes, coastal defense, or layered air defense networks. Such adaptability could create a fleet of USVs capable of both independent and coordinated operations, complicating enemy planning and increasing the resilience of Ukraine's maritime defense posture. From a technological perspective, the Magura V7 highlights Ukraine's growing proficiency in systems integration. Adapting an air-to-air missile for surface launch is a complex task that requires precise engineering to manage seeker cooling, power supply, and guidance control in an entirely different operational environment. Successfully executing this adaptation demonstrates a high level of technical skill and battlefield innovation, which has broader implications for Ukraine's defense industry. It reflects an ability to not only respond to immediate threats but also anticipate future operational requirements, a hallmark of effective defense strategy. Strategically, the Magura V7 may serve as a blueprint for asymmetric naval capabilities in regional conflicts. Smaller nations facing larger adversaries can exploit unmanned systems to offset disparities in conventional firepower. By deploying autonomous vessels capable of both offensive and defensive operations, militaries can create layered deterrence and complicate enemy planning. In the context of the Black Sea, the Magura V7 and its successors could play a pivotal role in securing coastal areas, protecting key maritime infrastructure, and limiting the operational freedom of adversary forces. The unveiling of the Magura V7 also sends a strong message internationally. It signals Ukraine's commitment to advancing autonomous warfare capabilities and underscores its capacity for rapid adaptation under combat pressure. This development is likely to attract the attention of defense observers and allies, highlighting the potential for Ukrainian systems to integrate with broader NATO-compatible defense architectures. Moreover, it demonstrates that innovation in modern warfare increasingly relies on creative adaptation of existing technologies, rather than solely on new inventions, emphasizing agility and practical problem-solving as critical military competencies. In conclusion, the Magura V7 unmanned surface vessel represents a remarkable intersection of engineering ingenuity, operational effectiveness, and strategic foresight. By repurposing Russian R-73 missiles for maritime air defense, Ukraine has created a platform capable of reshaping the tactical landscape in the Black Sea. The vessel's combination of speed, range, advanced sensors, and lethal payload underscores the potential of autonomous systems to redefine naval engagement strategies. As Ukraine continues to refine and expand this technology, the Magura V7 may serve as both a symbol and a practical instrument of the country's adaptive defense approach, demonstrating that innovation and tactical creativity can yield decisive advantages even in the most challenging combat environments.